Hi, it's Jeremy here. I'm going to be talking about uploading the Yang bundle from the WLC to your tftp server. In this case, the tftp server is going to be running on my Mac, and I'm running the 8.8 code here. So I'm in the screenshot, I just have the GUI where I've selected the file type is the Yang bundle, and same thing on the CLI here. I have a screenshot on the right where I've just logged in and done a transfer upload start. So that's showing just that I've selected the data type is the Yang bundle, as well as the TFTP file name that I've set there is just the Yang bundle. At the bottom is just an example of extracting the modules from that tarball that's uploaded from the TFTP server. So a couple comments about running the TFTP server on your Mac here. You do need to disable the firewall, and it was not working when I was using the wireless connection. So I switched to wired, and then I was able to use this software. So this is just the TFTP server software that runs on the Mac, and we need to create the file that's going to be uploaded before the WLC is able to successfully write it to the Mac workstation here. And you'll see that coming up. After that, we're going to use pyang to actually visualize the model. So we'll get this tree representation of all the key value pairs. How we're going to install pyang here is either with pip install or with the easy install method. So let's move over to the actual browser and transfer the Yang bundle. So here, let me just log into the controller. And go over to advanced, the commands, and then upload file. So here is the Yang bundle is already selected, TFTP, and here's the details. So if I move my TFTP server over here, just do a refresh, the folder that we're using is private TFTP. The server is running on this IP that matches. But since there's no file here, we do need to create the file. And this is the file name that I'm going to put in, so yangbundle.tar. If we do a refresh here, now we can see that the file's been created, and it's just 72 bytes, so it's a pretty small, empty file. It's just a placeholder that's been created with the correct permissions for writing to. So if I do a upload right now, we should see the successful upload. So it's saying file transfer operation started. And if I move the TFTP server window back here, we should see the success. And here it is, file transfer operation completed successfully. And then I'll refresh this, and we see that the file size is now 50 KB, so much larger than it was before. Let me just open up a terminal window here now, and let's go to that TFTP server directory and take a look around. So when I run ls, see there's just one file here, and that's that Yang bundle. So if I extract that, it's been extracted, and now here's all the files that are available. So these are all the actual Yang models. So I can use pyang to visualize or what we call walk the tree. So -f tree and wlc.yang. So when I run this, it's going to walk through the whole model. There's about 1,000 lines, and we can just see the last bunch that I've printed out here. This is from the rogue clients Yang model, and the data that contains is like the MAC address, the DSSID, the state, all this details about rogue clients. So as we move up, we can understand what's happening with rogue client events, as well as any of the other models that are contained within the bundle here. So that's what I wanted to demonstrate with uploading the Yang bundle, as well as using pyang to understand the data that's within the model.